Good morning, children. As in the previous classes, we have studied the different classification of minerals. Today we are going to discuss about ferrous minerals, or where are they available in our country. As we know that the ferrous minerals account for about 3/4 of the total value of the production of metallic minerals. Out of all the metallic minerals produced in our country or available in our country, these ferrous minerals account for about 3/4 of the total value. Now, also they provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industries. Especially these are necessary for the metallurgical industries in our country. So, India exports substantial or large quantities of ferrous minerals after meeting its domestic or internal needs or internal demands in our country. How much we have, after completion of all these demands, we are also exporting this type of ferrous minerals. For example, we can say iron ore. Iron ore is an important mineral, ferrous mineral available in our country. This is one of the basic mineral and a backbone for industrial development. Iron ore is very important for the industrial development of our country. So India is endowed with a fairly abundant resources of iron ore. Plenty of iron ore is available in our country. This is also, our country is also has very good quality iron ores. Iron ore and in plenty available here, and its good quality also is available. We can say magnetite. It is the finest quality, the best quality of iron ore is magnetite. It has here in our country about a high content of about 70% of the iron ore or magnetite is available in our country. It has high content of iron also, very best quality. And this is also especially used for magnetic, especially valuable for the electrical industry. This magnetite is maximum utilized for the electrical industry, and very good magnetic qualities also it has. Now another quality of iron ore is hematite. Hematite is hematite ore. This is also most important for the industrial iron, for the items of quantity used. In industries, hematite iron ore is largely used. It has but slightly lower iron content when we are comparing with the magnetite, and it has 50 to 60% of the iron ore only contained. Okay, we can say as per the production of iron ore in our country, which state-wise list, which state has the highest production. Odisha accounts 52% of the iron ore production here. Then coming to Chhattisgarh, 16%, Karnataka 14%, Jharkhand 11%, all other states together 7%. That is a percentage of iron ore production in our country state-wise. We know that the Kudire in Kannada, what is the meaning of Kudire? Kudire means a horse. There is a highest peak in Karnataka in the Western Ghats region. Kudremukh is a place in Karnataka where why this name has come, Kudremukh, which means a hill which is found in Karnataka. It has the shape of the face of the horse. Kudire means horse in Kannada, and Mukh means face. So it looks like, this region looks like the face of a horse. That's why this name came, Kudremukha. So Kudremukha in Kannada, the Karnataka region that lies in the Western Ghats region, and another place also we can find the Bailadilla, and that also is in Chhattisgarh. So these regions we can find the large production of these iron ore mines or iron ore. And Bailadilla also is such a place in Chhattisgarh. Bail, we know that the bull or ox, and Bailadilla, that means this region also hills represents looks like the hump of a bull or an ox. Now let us see here what are the regions accounts to the large quantity of iron ore in our country. The major iron ore belts in our country, which are the regions, which areas. Odisha Jharkhand belt. This is the largest production of iron ore is obtained here. In Odisha, high grade hematite ore is found in the Badam Pahar mines. Badam Pahar mines are there. Okay, so these regions in Odisha, Badam Pahar mines are there, and also that is in the Mayurbhanj district and Kendujhar district. Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar districts, there are also best quality of iron ore is available. So in the adjoining regions of Singhbhum and district in the Jharkhand, hematite iron ore is mined in the Goa and Nomundi. Goa and Nomundi, these are the regions in Jharkhand also iron ore is found. Now coming to the Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur belt, we know that Chandrapur is also famous for coal mines. So Durg, Bastar and Chandrapur belt, these lie in the Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra region. Very high grade hematite ore is also found in this region of Bailadila range of hills in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. Then the range of the hills comprise about 14 deposits of super high grade hematite iron ore. It has the best physical properties needed for the steel making. This is very good for making steel also. Iron ore from these mines are exported to Japan and South Korea via Visakhapatnam port. Nearest port is Visakhapatnam. Through that port, this iron ore is exported to Japan and South Korea also. Another region, Bellary, Chitradurga and Chikmagaluru, Tumakuru belt in Karnataka. These regions. So this also has the reserves of iron ore. The Kudremukh mines, which is located in the Western Ghats, already we discussed. This area has a 100% export unit. These are completely exporting. Kudremukh deposits are known for one of the best and one of the largest in the world here. And this iron ore is transported. When how it is transported as a slurry, that means it is made into liquid through the pipelines. We know that if we are sending this through the pipeline, we have to make it melt into liquid. So it becomes a liquid or slurry, then it is sent or transported to the port of Mangaluru through the pipeline when it is made into slurry or liquid. Other regions we can find Maharashtra Goa belt, which includes the state of Goa and Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Though these ores are not very high quality, yet they are efficiently exploited also. Iron ore is exported through Marmagaon port from this region. So Goa and Maharashtra regions, Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra regions. So what is the iron ore obtained from here? It is exported to other regions of the world through the Marmagaon port. Now coming to the other ferrous minerals, we can say some other examples. Manganese. Manganese also is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloy. Nearly 10 kilograms of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. So it is also used in the manufacturing of bleaching powder, insecticides and paints, etc. Now let us see here what is the percentage of production of manganese showing state-wise percentage here. Manganese production here in our country, Maharashtra and Odisha, these both states produce 25% of manganese. And other states, when we are comparing, we can say Madhya Pradesh is producing the 27%. Madhya Pradesh 27, Odisha and Maharashtra 25%. Again, Karnataka produces 11%, Andhra Pradesh 10%, all other states together 2%. That is the state-wise distribution of manganese ore in our country. So in the next class we will study more about the non-ferrous minerals, as we have studied about the important ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals we will study tomorrow. That's all for today. Thank you.